Hello, all. Today is Fun Friday. Be ready to share at 8:30. Today you have Spanish at 9, and at 9:45 we will meet to discuss the second Latin Greek word that also means water, which is hydra, Hydr, and hopefully be able to talk more today about plot if we have a chance to do so. At 10:45, we will continue with Place by Your Detective. I also have one-on-one meetings today. Please check the new schedule for these. Rafaela and Tiziana, I missed you all today, so we need to discuss when we can see each other together, how we can reschedule. So let's make it a great Friday, and I will see you guys at 8:30.